Juggling spreadsheets, manual processes, and a mix of disconnected tools, it doesn't take much to turn your dream project into a nightmare. Why take that risk? Meet Nexvia, the next big thing in construction management software. Unlike other platforms, Nexvia is purpose-built for projects in construction, fit-out, specialty contracting, commercial trades, joinery, and manufacturing. Now, one centralized platform will streamline your entire project. Nexvia integrates all aspects of the management process, from lead management to tenders and estimation, project and field management, production management, and budget and pipeline tracking. The market-leading cloud-based design allows your team to collaborate with clients and contractors in real time, with mobile connectivity making management simpler and smoother. Nexvia easily integrates with other business software, such as QuickBooks, Xero, and MyOb. And with a better view of how things are going with project finances and schedules, better business decisions can be made. With real-time data, smart tools, and Australian-based support, Nexvia helps you save time, reduce admin, and deliver stronger outcomes. Whether you're managing one job or a full pipeline, Nexvia gives you the confidence and control to build smarter. Request a Nexvia demo today. Visit nexvia.com.au to get started.